Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today we're going to talk about the 2019 Honda Accord in general and how to factory reset your personal data. Essentially, I'm saying to remove your personal data on the vehicle before you trade it in, sell it, what have you. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when you be notified to do videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much. So I have a silver luster metallic. It looks really nice in the light, and it looks really nice at night as well too. So today's subject is basically how to erase your personal data. It's a very simple process, but you have to go through different menus to get there. So I'm gonna slow down the video a little bit so you can actually see how the process works. Okay, let's get started. First thing you need to do is actually hit the home button to get into your main screen. So then you hit the settings. Just click on it on the display. Best to do this when your vehicle is parked. Then you want to hit system over here. And you want to scroll all the way near to the bottom. And there's factory data reset. So you click on the factory data reset over here. Then it's going to ask you, do you want to continue, pretty much. Of course, hit continue, otherwise cancel it or not. And it's going to double check with you if you want to do this erase. Hit continue again, and it will perform the erase. It may take up to 5 minutes to erase, and it's not going to be very fast. Your screen actually would, go dark. Okay, do not power off the vehicle at all. Okay, leave the power on. So for it to come back, I skipped ahead, by the way. So it's going to come back with a Honda logo over here, Honda link. And you're going to continue to load, and you're going to give you the disclaimer. So you need to do some stuff after this, right? Just wait for the disclaimer. Always, it's going to be a while before you can actually do anything after you click the reboot. Okay, once you see the OK and a disclaimer message, then you hit the power button to shut it off. Okay, now you can start it back up. Hit the power button again. And it's going to give this message. The system has lost power. Push and hold the power button for more than 2 seconds to enable the system. So you want to hold the radio button for 2 seconds. Of course, I'm slowing down the video so you can see better. Then there's another disclaimer. It comes back up again. Hit OK again. And that will load. Notice that if it was OK in the first one, and if all works, you can just hit the OK and it will load everything as well. But in my case, it wasn't. So I have everything back pretty much. However, your phone settings and Bluetooth and all those are gone at the moment. The radio still works. You can XM set up. It won't be there anymore. So keep that in mind. You might want to have XM send you the radio code, the signal for your radio with the radio code, and everything should work again. So you might lose some channels here and there. Keep that in mind. And that's how it is to reset the radio by default and erase everything at the same time. So if you suppose you want to start cleaning, or you hit some kind of air that you can't get out, that's something to look for and try. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.